All right, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to just do a quick video on MicroStrategy here. This thing is the ultimate Bitcoin levered thing. There's their enterprise software. That's what we say. It's enterprise software, but what it really is a Bitcoin bank. As an ex great president said, make no mistake about it. This is a Bitcoin bank, and Bitcoin's starting to get really frisky here. Some would say, oh, it's because of the Fed and I don't give a rip about that. The bottom line is the damn thing's starting to go up. And so I look at IBIT, it's going to follow suit. MicroStrategy, it's going to follow suit too. These days, nobody really cares how the business is doing. I know I don't. I just care how Bitcoin's doing. So this is what we did today. The stock starts trading above the 50-day moving average. You look at the volume, much heavier than usual. And so this is what I suggested to my members, and I'll make this suggestion to you, and it either works for you, it doesn't. Buying the stock here at around 150, and then keeping the stop fairly snug is, in my view, that's the way to go. Because if you're buying this stock right now, it's because you think it's going higher. So what's it going to take for you to see that you're wrong? Well, it's going to take the stock falling back down here. It doesn't have to fall down here for you to say, well, I think I might be wrong on this. No, just use today's candlestick chart as a reference, and you can even go, I have it even lower than that, but you could put it right here at 135.50, something like that, which gives you a real low risk and a high, in my view, potential reward here. Because if Bitcoin does start moving a bit, it's not going to, it doesn't need to go to 70,000 for this thing to start running. So that's my suggestion, is definitely watch MicroStrategy here. If you're buying it, just make sure you got some kind of stock, some kind of stop on the stock, because this thing has big swings. All right. So, and if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, check it out. I really like it. Hopefully you will too.